So next joint will be a rack and pinion joint. Okay. So for rack and pinion also, we will create three parts. First part will be a base. Okay. And it will be a combination of revolute and prismatic joint. I think you can understand what happened in rack and pinion joint. Rack will be reciprocate and what pinion will be rotate. So in pinion we will use revolute joint. For rack we will use prismatic joint. So for creating rack and pinion joint, first we need to select DME kinematics, then click on product and insert part body. And now here I am creating a first part. So first part is very important. Okay, so how to create that? I'm using rectangle at the same dimension which I have used earlier, that is 300, 50. Okay, but now I am once again I am using one more vertical rectangle also. Here also I am using 300, sorry, 150 dimension. Total dimension is 150 and constrained it by 0 and use trim option, and here width will be 50. So here it will be easy to remember width 50, 50, 150, 150, 150. And now pad it. It's a base. So now I'm creating a shaft by radius 10, die will be 20. And what will be the height? Height is 100. Pad 50. Okay. So here we can mount our pinion. But what about rack? So we need to create a base to reciprocating rack. Wait. No issue. I will create a rack and I can reciprocate rack with this axis and this plane also. So I think it is completed now. It is completed now. Okay. And just click on product and insert second part. Okay. Click on part body and take reference of this face of the shaft and project 3D element, use project 3D element, and here create a pinion by 100 radius. Why 100 radius? Because this distance is 100. 20. So now we have created second part. Create third part. To create third part, we have just double clicked on product, insert new part. It will be a last part body, and take reference this base. Okay, or sorry, or take reference this face, or this face, yeah, this face, and use center rectangle. What will be dimension? 300 and 50. Pad it by 20. It's a rack. Just double click on product, and here we need to first fix part. Which part will be fixed? The base will be fixed. Click on fix part. Now select base. Click on rack and pinion joint. Select the rack and pinion joint from the न्यू जॉइंट, ये न्यू जॉइंट ऑप्शन में जाकर आपको ये रैक इन पिनियन ऑप्शन पिक करना है, तो मैंने रैक इन पिनियन ऑप्शन को पिक कर लिया. नाउ हियर वी कैन सी दैट वी हैव अ क्रिएट prismatic joint and revolute joint. So first we need to create prismatic joint. So to creating prismatic joint, we have just select. So here we can see that it's the same window which we get from the prismatic joint. Line 1, line 1 will be this line 2 will be this line. Plane 1 this one, and plane 2 this one. Okay, and for revolute joint, click on this axis, this plane on this plane. Okay. Then ratio, to define ratio, just click on define and select the radius, only radius, single radius, or click on the length driven for the prismatic. It's the last step. Update. Okay, no issue. I have done one mistake. What is the mistake? Shaft length should be 20 only. Shaft length, this shaft length will be 20. So I am editing this one. Just double click here, pad 2, and update it by 20. And then update, where is update, this one update, product. Then once again click on update. Okay, so now what happening now, both part in contact, so it will look realistic. Like if we will simulate, then what happened, see here, rack will reciprocate and pinion will rotate. कुछ समझ में आया मधुर? अमन?
यस सर, आ रहा है.
ठीक है, इतने पार्ट्स आप क्रिएट करो, मैकेनिज्म क्रिएट करो, देन आपके जो डाउट होंगे वो हम पहले क्लियर करेंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है?